probably aware that the word melamine, as it applies to decorative surfaces, has now been switched over to TFL, which stands for thermally fused laminates. A big reason for this switch has been the advancements in texturing and in printing. A pioneer in this field has been Gruppo Frati. This is our exclusive supplier of TFL panels from Italy. And now let's look at some comparisons to start with. I'm going to show you here an example of a traditional, if you like, melamine surface. This one here, as I move it around, you can see has a very plasticky look and certainly has a plasticky feel to the surface. So now let's move on to some examples from Frati. This will show you just how well these surfaces have evolved over recent years. The first one I'm going to show you here is called a teller. A teller has a distinctive embossing in the surface. It almost follows the grain itself, where you get this really realistic wood look and feel to it. The second sample I'd like to show you is called Zara. The Zara finish here has an undulating texture which goes right across the panel and creates the look and the feel of a cut wood or a planed wood finish. So that's the second example. The third example I'd like to show you here is called Medusa. The Medusa finish creates yet another look, wood look so to speak, of unpainted wood in feel and look. And to the point where when you bring your fingers down the surface and across, you can actually feel different sensation as you go in different directions across the panel. This illustrates just how far Frati has come in their technological advances in texturing. Now we're proud today to announce another texture from Frati. It's called Lavish. The Lavish series is in 3 colors and they are called as follows: Belgravia 2, Belgravia 3 and Belgravia 4. As I mentioned, the finish is called Lavish, and I'm going to bring it over towards the camera to show you yet another texture, this time a nice embossing again in the surface. It's got varying degrees of opacity, which gives you more depth, gives you almost a 3D look to the overall look of the panel. As you can see, 3 very attractive walnut patterns, all now available from stock from us. The main point we're making here, in terms of all the textures they offer, is that we can offer you a surface today which has the look and the feel of real wood, without the attendant maintenance issues that can go with real wood. So we have a winning combination here, which the consumer really warms up to. For more information and samples, please contact us. Thank you.